Kevin just got back from Home Depot and Lowe's, and I'm not sure where else he went, but he went to get some stuff for a surprise he's working on. So I'm gonna go out here and show you what it is. I'm kind of scared, but I'll show you what he's doing. So Kevin's working on a project. Let me turn this fan off so you can hear. So, any guesses yet? What it's gonna be? What we're gonna do? We'll let you know. Right, here's another step in his new project. You can guess what it is. He's grouchy because it's rainy outside and he's having to do this under the carport, and so it's a tight space and he's having a hard time working, so he's grouchy, but he usually is. Figured it out yet? Yeah, that's huge, but not much sleeping space.